One-point perspective is the simplest form of perspective and is often used for drawings with a single focal point. This is used when we draw an object that looks directly at us, usually when the subject is looking directly at an object's face or at a landscape where we can clearly see the horizon line. You can easily use this perspective when drawing hallways, roads, or interior spaces. So, the first thing you need to know is how to draw basic shapes using one-point perspective. Because once you know how to draw squares and boxes in perspective, you can start drawing anything using the same rules. They provide a structure for other forms, which is why this is usually the first thing we learn in perspective drawing. So first, trace the horizon line, a horizontal line representing the horizon, but also the viewer's eye level. Anything above the horizon line is above the eye level, and anything below the horizon line is also below the eye level. Place a vanishing point on it. Draw the front side of the box first. And draw the straight lines from the corners of the square that converge to the vanishing point. And the form. Remember that these final lines in the back are parallel to the coinciding lines in the front. Now I'm going to do the same with a rectangle this time. Also, try to draw with different shapes and sizes of boxes. If you want to experiment how the boxes look in different places according to the vanishing point, you can try this exercise. So let's draw a chair. I start by drawing the front. Let me show you how a table would look if it was below or above the eye level. Last example, I am going to draw a modern house. We'll see that it's not really complicated now that you know the basic rules.